Hello, my name is Erin Burke, and this is my video summary of athletic care and prevention so far and what I've learned, what my challenges have been, and what I would like to learn in the rest of the semester. So, starting with some of the things I've learned so far in athletic care and prevention and that I've really enjoyed is I've learned kind of where athletic training kind of started, and it started back with the ancient Greeks and then kind of disappeared and then came back later in the 19th century due to the boom in gymnastics. I've also learned that since then it has developed into a very well respected and accredited profession that you can find all over the United States within colleges and high schools and at the professional level. I learned that athletic trainers do much more than just have extensive knowledge on the human body and how to prevent injuries, but they also have to be very aware of circumstances that are outside of the human body, such as the environment and how heat, especially here in the South, can play a huge role on practices and the intensity of practices, because things such as heat stroke and heat rash and heat exhaustion are a big problem that if you don't watch these circumstances, that can affect your athletes. I've also learned the importance of using protective equipment in practices, such as using helmets in professional sports such as football. As you can see with that controversial topic has blown up recently with NFL versus CTE and using protective helmets and what kind of measures they should be taking in practices. So I've learned how important, because this can be like a life-affecting disease for these professional football athletes, that athletic trainers have to be aware of and know how to prevent and know how to recognize. Some of the difficulties I've found within this class so far is memorizing and understanding all the differences of conditions such as heat rash versus heat stroke or tendonitis, but I'm really looking forward to diving deeper into all of these conditions that athletic trainers have to be aware of and trained to prevent and trained to help when circumstances arise, and just being really able to tell the differences and knowing how to prevent them if I'm ever in that situation in the future. Thank you.